Hello children, I am here again to share some information about our next topic. So today we are going to learn about the heart, the most important organ of our body. Heart is located inside the body, okay? It is an internal organ. So, have you ever placed your hand on your chest and you have felt a kind of sound, lub dub, or dhak dhak sound? Okay, so you all have felt that sound. So, what do we call to that particular sound? That sound is called heartbeat. Okay, so the heart is a muscular organ on the left side of your chest. It is very big in size. It is big in size like when you close your fist, it is the size of this. Okay, it is the size of this fist when you close it. And it is a very important pumping organ. Now, how the blood flows, okay, how blood reaches to heart, we are going to learn about this. Now, before moving ahead, let us understand two very important terms. Number one, arteries, and number two, veins. What are arteries, or what is the function of artery? The function of artery is to transport blood away from the heart. Arteries transport blood away from the heart, and veins return blood back towards the heart. Veins return blood back towards the heart. So here I am going to show you picture, or you can say an image of heart. Okay. Now children, you can see here that here I am showing you this is vein and this is artery. Okay, and this is a complete picture of heart. So arteries transport blood away from the heart and veins return blood back towards the heart. Children, as we are learning about arteries and veins, so as we all know that arteries transport blood away from the heart and veins return blood back towards the heart. So blood vessels called veins, what they are doing? Veins bring impure blood to the right side of the heart. So what vein is doing? Vein is bringing blood, impure blood. So to the which side? Right side of the heart. Impure blood has carbon dioxide in it. So what we understood that veins bring impure blood to the right side of the heart, and impure blood has carbon dioxide in it. The heart sends this blood to the lungs to be made pure. So what heart is doing? Heart is sending this blood to lungs to make it pure. Then the left side, you can see here I am showing you the diagram. The left side of the heart receives pure blood. Which side of the heart receives pure blood? Left side of the heart receives pure blood. And what is present in it? Oxygen is present in it. In impure blood, carbon dioxide is present, and in pure blood, oxygen is present. From where we are getting oxygen from for the pure blood? We are getting it from the lungs. The heart pumps the pure blood into arteries. So what are arteries? Arteries transport blood away from the heart. So what heart is doing? Heart is pumping the blood, the pure blood, into arteries which carry it to all the parts of the body. Now children, we all understood about the functioning of the heart. We know this that impure blood carries carbon dioxide and pure blood carries oxygen in it. Okay, there is a question. How fast does our heart beats? Okay, what is the answer for this? Our heart beats 72 times in a minute. In 1 minute, our heart beats 72 times. So just watch this video and understand everything. Now children, we are going to learn something about lungs. I will be showing you the image and then we will be understanding it. Here we go. Now children, we are going to learn about lungs and here is the image of lungs. Lungs are 2 in numbers. Okay, and what is the shape of lungs? They are cone shaped. You all can see that they are cone shaped and they all are very spongy. Okay, now next thing is that the who protects lungs. So here I will show you. This is a rib cage. This is rib cage. Rib cage protects the lungs. Okay, now what is the function of lungs? Lungs help us to breathe in and breathe out. And these two lungs are close to each other. Why they are close? Why they are not, one is upside, one is downside? Why they are not far away from each other? Because they have to work together. So as they have to work together, that is the only reason these two lungs are close to each other. Now we will understand its functioning. So children, what do we inhale? Which gas do we inhale? We inhale oxygen. And which gas do we release out? We release out carbon dioxide. So the process in which we are breathing in and out, who is helping us? Lungs help us to breathe in and breathe out. So what is the complete process? How it is going about? Like when we breathe in air, that is oxygen, it goes to our lungs through the windpipe. It goes to our lung through the windpipe. Now, the oxygen passes from the lungs into the blood and which reaches to the heart. Now, what heart is doing? The heart sends the blood to different parts of, sends the oxygen to different parts of the body. And how much oxygen is required by the body? It uses it. Whatever is needed, it uses it and then sends back carbon dioxide through the blood to the lungs. And then what do we release out? The gas which we release out from our nose, that is carbon dioxide. So lungs helps us in breathing. Lungs help us in breathing in and breathing out. The gas which we release in, so the gas which we take in, that is oxygen, and which we exhale out, that is carbon dioxide. Inhaling inside, exhaling means outside. Okay.